Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use TikTok on mobile. In order to use TikTok on mobile, you need to follow these steps. Depending on the type of device that you're using, open up your respective app store, type in TikTok on the search bar and install the app. Now in my case, I already have an account as well as I've already installed, so click the open button. So I'm going to quickly sign out of this account. So basically, without creating an account as well, you'll be able to explore the content, but you'll be restricted to commenting as well as liking the post. Now, if you want to sign up with your Google account or email address or maybe Facebook or with your phone number, select one of these methods. Click on the continue button, type in your information and click the continue button. After which, it's then going to ask you to go ahead and type in the verification code that is going to be sent to your email. So here it is. You just have to wait for it until it's actually received. And click on the next button. As you click on the verify email button, you will then be taken to the field where you need to go ahead and create your password. As soon as you click on the password button, you will then be taken to the next field where you need to go ahead and select or go ahead and enable all sort of permissions, and that way you'll be able to use TikTok on your mobile. And now you'll not be restricted to any sort of content, so you could just go and explore it, like, share and comment as well. In this way, you'll be able to use TikTok on your mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.